Welcome students in online study. Nowadays we all are suffering from a one global virus that is COVID-19. So I request stay home, stay safe. Care for family, care for society and care for nation. In this video lecture we will learn chapter 4 Fiber to Fabric. In previous video we have learned explanation of this chapter, and in this video we will understand exercise of these chapters. Textbook exercise page number 58 and 59. Objective parts. You have to write in your textbook. The places is already given, and short and long question answer you have to write in your FNB. Write the question with black pen and answer with blue pen. Let's go to our questions. That is first one, fill in the blanks. Fibers are thin strands of thread that are twisted together to make yarns. Weaving involves arranging two sets of yarn to make fabric. Next is cotton, wool and silk are natural fiber. Coir is obtained from outer covering or husk of the coconut. Fibers obtained from the flax plant are used to make linen. So these are the fill-ups. Here are you seeing the color of red is showing the answer of the fill-ups. Let's go to more ahead in next question, that is choose the correct options. MCQs. In textbook you can tick also and you do the underline of the correct answer. The first one is, which of these involves making fabric by forming a serial of connected loops of yarns? The correct answer is D. Knitting. Which of these is not true about jute production? The correct answer is A. We get jute from the bark of the flax plant. We get jute from the bark of the jute plant. The correct is this. Which of these fibers would you see to make pair of denim jeans? Correct answer is A. Cotton. Which of these involves a loom? C. Weaving. Involves two types of looms, hand loom and power looms. Power looms through machine, hand looms through hands. Next is, which of these are obtained from the fruit of the D. Silk cotton. Next question is, give one word of the following. The materials made by weaving or knitting of yarn. The correct answer is fabric. Next is, the pattern in which two sets of threads are arranged in a cloth. The answer is weave. Fibers that are made by men from chemical substances is called synthetic fiber. The small green fruit of the cotton plant is cotton ball. The process of making yarn from fiber is called spinning. So these are the one words. Now let's go more ahead in two examples for each of the following. First is natural fiber. Answers are cotton, silk. Product made from jute fiber. Answer is bags, hats. Product made from silk cotton are sleeping bags, life jackets. Product made from flax fiber, linen and rope. So here our objective part is over. Now we are going in question answer, short and long, that you have to write in your fair book. So let's see, the next question is short answer type questions. First one is, what are clothes made of? So clothes are made of fabric. Next is, what are synthetic fiber? Give two examples. Fibers are made by men from chemical substances are called synthetic fibers. I repeat, fibers that are made by men from chemical substances are called synthetic fiber. Examples are nylon and rayon. The next is, what is ginning? What is ginning? The process of separating cotton fibers from its seed is called ginning. Next is, describe the process of ratting. Describe the process of ratting. Bundles of jute plants are dipped in water. The water rots away the stem and dissolves the sticky substances, separating the fiber. This process of rotting the stems to remove the sticky substance and separate the fibers is called retting. Next is, name any three products made from jute fibers. Baskets, ropes and mats are three products made from jute fibers. So here short question answer is over. Now we are going in long answer type questions. Maybe here long question answer means more than 2 to 3 points. So I request you, write the answer with point wise. And when you write a new point, start with new line. Let's start. What are fibers? How do we get clothes from fibers? Answer is, fibers are thin strands of thread that are twisted together to make yarn. Yarns are woven or knitted to form fabric. For example, cotton fabric and silk fabric. The fabric is stitched to make clothes. For example, cotton fabric can be stitched into a cotton frock or a cotton kurta. There are two main processes of making fabric from yarn: weaving and knitting. Now let's go. The next question is, describe two processes of making fabric from yarn. The two main processes of making fabric from yarn are weaving and knitting. First, weaving. Weaving involves making fabric by arranging two sets of yarn. It is done using a machine called loom that can be hand operated or power operated. The pattern in which two sets of threads are arranged in piece of woven cloth is called a weave. Second is knitting. Knitting involves making fabric by forming a series of connected loops of yarn by using knitting needles or machine. Sweaters are made from woolen yarns by knitting. Next question is, describe the steps involved in the production of cotton. The steps involved in the production of cotton are given below. The cotton plant has a small green fruit called the cotton ball. The ball has seeds inside, which are surrounded by cotton fibers. Once the cotton is harvested, it is sent for ginning, where the fibers are separated from the seed. The fibers are cleaned and made into long thread-like strands. The fibers are spun using spinning machines to form cotton yarn. The process of making yarn from fibers is called spinning. Yarn is then made into cotton fabrics by weaving or knitting. Yarn is then made into cotton fabrics by weaving or knitting. Next question is, describe how jute fiber is obtained from the plant. Describe how jute fiber is obtained from the plant. The stem of jute plant has a thick bark that has fibers inside it. These fibers are naturally glued together by a sticky substances. Bundles of jute plants are dipped in water. The water rots away the steam and dissolves the sticky substances, separating the fibers. The process of rotting the steam to remove the sticky substances and separate the fibers is called retting. Next question is, write short notes on the following. The first is coir. This we have learned in chapter explanation also. Core is the fiber obtained from the outer covering or the husk of the coconut. Coir is used to make several household products such as robes and floor coverings, and also as a stuffing in mattresses and pillows. Next is silk cotton. Silk cotton is another plant fiber that is commonly used as a stuffing in pillows, sleeping bags, and life jackets. This fiber is obtained from the silk cotton tree, is also called kapuk tree. Next is hemp. Hemp fiber are obtained from the stem of the hemp plants. Hemp fibers are used in the production of ropes, carpets, nets, clothes, and paper. Next is flax. Fibers obtained from the stem of the flax plant are woven to make a fabric called linen. Flax fiber are also used in production of ropes and high quality paper.